problem with these exponents, let's store a 2 in for the x, and I hope you don't mind that I'm going to use an x instead of a q just because the x is easier to access on the calculator. So we're going to set this expression that they give us in the problem. Let me get that typed in. We're going to set that equal to the first answer choice, x to the 27th. Let me check and make sure. Let's make sure we've got all these exponents, y'all. Now we want it to give us a 1 because that means that's the correct answer, but you can see that this one gave us a 0. So we need to try to set it equal to the second answer choice. So I'm going to set that equal to 1 divided by x to the 27th. A 0 again. Now we'll try setting it equal to answer choice H. So we're going to set this one equal to an x to the third. And there we got our 1, so H is the correct answer.